Hey, what's up you guys? Last week I did the Google Home Mini, and this time we're going to be doing the Alexa Amazon Echo Dot. So let's get right into this. This is very similar to the Google Home Mini, except this is through Amazon. You can add Alexa to any room, Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify. The fact that Apple Music is on here is really awesome because I have an Apple Music and a Spotify subscription, so that's cool. You can also sync it to Hue, the Hue light bulbs, which are super cool, NPR, TuneIn, SmartThings, TP-Link, and more. This is the 3rd generation one. I got this in charcoal as well. So I'll be doing a video probably next week where I compare both the Google Home Mini and the Alexa. We'll see what their responses are, at least, in comparison. They'll battle it out, or something like that. So, let's open it up. There's a smile on the box. So let's pull her out of here. We have the instructions, and underneath in the box, they just got a point, because Google Home has a white wire, while this has a black wire. Definitely like that a lot. Love pulling those things off. Guess I'm allergic. No, I'm just kidding. But, let's see. It has its own type of wire that it goes into. Let's pull this off, actually. I love the little rubbery things instead of like plastic. So this black wire, instead of micro USB or USB-C, it has like a little, it's focusing on me. It's a, I don't know what this is, but it's its own jack. Closely related probably to the aux cord, but it's not one, so. Pull her out. She's not any weird colors at the bottom, which I approve. If we remember last week, Google Home had coral at the bottom. Don't know why. Maybe they had extra coral bottoms from the corals that didn't sell. There's an aux cable for here, but then this just plugs in right here. On the top there's a button for volume up, volume down, stop I'm guessing, and this is probably like to turn on or something. So let's plug her in. Let's see what happens with this beauty. Okay, so she just plugged in. She's now making syncing things. Let's open up the Alexa app. Would like us to use. Let's log into Amazon.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Bunch of customizations you could do actually. You can custom Q&A, customize Alexa's responses, chore chart, whose turn, how many days, and burns. Roast your friends and families. That's interesting. Ask what's on the calendar. I can listen through Audible, which is cool. Alexa doesn't like respond to me yet, so maybe that's just. Oh, okay. I have to turn on the mic. Alexa, what is the weather?
Right now, it's 83 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 84 degrees and a low of 66 degrees.
Well, it is definitely hot. Mikey edited out our city again. Add device. Here we go. So an Echo Dot, 3rd generation. Yes. Okay. So far, I had to kind of look for that while Google Home kind of already guided me through it, so that's interesting. I'm just staring down at my phone as I try to set this up. Wow! Connecting to your Echo Dot via Wi-Fi. Yep, it's in pairing mode. I think it just paired. Now this one, the first three choices are kitchen, dining room, and bedroom, because they're
Your
probably the
device is
most
ready.
often choices. I'm going to say office again. Setup complete. Create voice profile. Teach Alexa your voice. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, what's my name?
I'm talking to Sienna. This is Sienna's account.
Cool. Alexa, tell me a joke.
How many sloths does it take to change a light bulb? Just one.
Stupid. Okay. Well, that's our Echo Dot, guys. It's cute. I don't know. It is what it is. I'll be doing a video soon where I kind of compare them and I ask them the same questions and see what the difference in the responses are. We'll see how that goes. Please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!